Once upon a time, in a garden filled with flowers, lived a friendly hornet named Harold. Harold was not like other hornets. He was kind and gentle, and he loved to play with the bees and butterflies. One sunny day, Harold noticed a small caterpillar struggling to climb a tall tree. Harold felt sorry for the caterpillar and decided to help. With a gentle push, Harold helped the caterpillar reach the top. The caterpillar thanked Harold and said, "When I become a butterfly, I will always remember your kindness." Harold smiled, happy to have made a new friend. A few days passed, and the caterpillar transformed into a beautiful butterfly. True to her word, she visited Harold every day, fluttering around him, reminding him of his kindness. One day, Harold found a weak and hungry caterpillar. He remembered the butterfly and decided to help again. He gathered pollen and nectar for the caterpillar, ensuring it had enough to eat and grow strong. As Harold watched the caterpillar grow, he realized that helping others brought him great joy. He decided to help any creature in need, no matter how small or insignificant it might seem. Word spread about Harold's kindness, and soon, all the creatures in the garden came to him for help. From the tiny ant to the big bear, everyone knew they could count on Harold. One day, a group of hornets came to the garden. These hornets were not like Harold. They were mean and selfish, always bullying the other creatures. The garden was filled with fear and sadness. Harold knew he had to do something. He gathered all the creatures and said, "We don't have to live in fear. We can show these hornets that kindness is more powerful than cruelty." The creatures agreed, and together, they showed the mean hornets that kindness could bring peace and harmony. The mean hornets, seeing the love and unity among the other creatures, changed their ways and became kind like Harold. From that day on, the garden was a place of peace and love, where every creature lived happily, thanks to the kindness of Hornet Harold. And wherever there was a need, no matter how big or small, Harold was always there to lend a helping hand. As bedtime approached, children, listening to this story, would feel warm and cozy, knowing that just like Harold, they too could make a difference in the world. And with a smile, they would drift off to sleep, dreaming of a world filled with kindness and love.